How to fix camera glitch on iPhone 13 Pro Max. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to fix camera glitches on your iPhone 13 Pro Max step by step in a quick and easy way. Let's get started. Tutorial. Step 1. First close the camera app. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and close the camera app completely. Then, open again and check if the issue is gone. Step 2. Restart your iPhone. Next, press and hold the volume up and side button until you see the power slider. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and turn on your iPhone. Step 3. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. If there is a new update available, install it. It might fix the glitch. Step 4. Reset all settings. If it is still glitching, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset and reset all settings. Step 5. Turn off macro mode. Open Settings, Camera, enable macro control. Then go to the camera app and tap the macro icon to disable it manually when you're close to objects. Step 6. Clean the lenses and remove accessories. Gently clean your lenses with a soft cloth. Also remove any phone case or lens attachment. They can interfere with the camera. Step 7. Check the camera in other apps. Try using the camera on other apps like Snapchat or Instagram. If it works there, the issue might be with the camera app itself. Step 8. Contact Apple support. If no one of that works, go to getsupport.apple.com and run a camera diagnostic or schedule a repair. And that's it. That was a step-by-step guide on how to fix camera glitches on your iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.